Let's make this healthy and refreshing drink. Start with adding 2 cups of chopped strawberries to the blender. Now add 1/2 cup of water. Blend nicely for a few seconds. Strain strawberry puree into a bowl. Use spatula to get more of it. Now pour the puree back into the blender. Now add 2 cups of milk. 1/2 cup of whipped cream. 1/2 cup of condensed milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now it's time to blend. Transfer it to a pitcher. Add some ice to it. Now add 1 cup of chopped strawberries. Give it a good mix. Delicious and refreshing Agua Fresca is ready to serve. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.